To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap the plus icon at the top left of your screen to create a new story. You can either capture a new photo, or choose an existing one from your gallery. Then tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen. From the list of stickers, choose the Add Yours Music sticker. Now tap Add Music to open a music search window. You can browse for a specific song in the For You section. If you switch to the Browse tab, you will find music categorized by different genres. You can also search for a specific music from the search bar. You can play the songs before selecting one. After selecting a song, you can customize it by tapping on the music. You can resize the sticker and reposition it anywhere on the screen by dragging. When you are happy with your music choice and design, tap your story to post it. Your story has been updated. Check this out. Viewers can add their own music by tapping Add Yours on the sticker. So in this way, you can use the Add Yours Music sticker on Instagram.